guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. So, ngayon guys, ang video na to is all about bonding namin kahapon with my batchmate in elementary and with my mentor and classmates ko nung college. So, bonding namin kahapon guys doon sa Talahid Beach Resort, and then unexpectedly napunta kami sa newly discovered beach sa Colaba, Biliran. So, makita ko sa inyo guys. Now, let's go!
So, ayan na guys. Kailangan sumunod sa protocol guys. Mag-laptop muna guys at mag-bayad ng entrance fee. Guys.
Follow the protocol guys. So entrance. Follow the protocol.
And guys, nandito na kami sa Talahid Beach Resort. So, ayan guys, located at Almeria, Biliran. So, ayan guys, yan. Ayun, may island pa din guys. Ayun. Island pa din yun guys. Island pa din yun. So, ito yung beach resort dito guys. Kung gusto niyo mag-ganito, meron din. Tapos mag-kayaking, may biking na. So, yun. Sobrang sarap dito, guys. Kasi sobrang linaw, super calm yung water. So, at nandun yung table na. So, I don't know kung magkano yung renta doon sa cottage. Kasi sa pinubay. Walang huy lang yung dala ko, guys. Wala akong pera, guys. Kaya pagpasadyan mo guys, baka sunod guys. 5 bitso na yung dalhin ko pag naan may jeep ko. So, ayun guys. Ito na yun. So, update ko kayo mamaya. Guys, kung maliligo na kami. So, let's go! Simulan na kami kumain.
Ako ihinaw. Hindi naman ako mahina sa plato. I'm wanting to do ano mo yan eh? Hindi mo tanaw.
Foto ka kaya nakapos sa pagkini.
Yes, ka.
Nakabuhi. Nakabuhi. Sabag pa kating.
Yun, yes, nag-complete ra.
Ay, wait! Ay, saan mo pangahon ako?
Picture ba? Ever?
Wala ka picture eh.
Let's sing a song full of pain.
Kasi,
Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain.
So,
Forever
guys,
young,
karating na kami sa
ever strong,
pangalawa namin
ever
pupuntahan ng
brave.
beach. So, it's it.
Memories like this never end. They don't fade away.
Kinapit pang iPhone.
Yan, napunta na kami doon. Hi! Hi! She's my classmate sa elementary. So, ito classmate ko in college. So, yun guys. Talagang dumating na kami ng oras na. This is our next stop. So, next stop guys, it's what they call Alisay Beach. So, yan.
Sige, diretso hala na dong. Kita ra kag kuan ha.
Sus, pastila, no? Padung ni Anas?
Just sila if you want.
Ayan na, mga vlogger. Hi, mentor. Hi. This is what they call Talisay Beach in Culaba, Biliran. So, ayan, guys. Tingnan niyo yung mukha ng ano ko, guys. Kasama ko. So, ayan. Yung tapat niyan, guys, is summer. Sama na po yan, guys. Ayun. Wow. Wow. Sarap dito, guys, magmuni-muni. Tapos, low lang yung ano, yung entrance fee. It's only 10 pesos. So, hindi na kami magka-cottage, guys, kasi yung ano, tingnan nyo, bagang-bang o ano yung para mga patay ng mga coral sa sarap upuan. Tapos, linis pa ng dagat.
Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Ever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Ginagawa mo.
I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding
I'm sexy and I know it.
keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun. Close to the sun. Close to the sun.
Guys, welcome to Akaban Cave. You can see Bat Cave. They also call it Bat Cave. Be quiet. You see? They also call it Akaban Cave.
Hi guys! Uwi na kami. Nag-prepare na po kami. It's already 4:49. So, nag-prepare na po kami guys para umuwi. So, bye-bye for now. Talisay Beach from located at Culaba, Biliran. So, ayun guys. Bye-bye!